Okay, pirate pals. I think we're all ready for our pirate ship sleepover.
Ooh, we are! Pirate Hootbeard, we have our pirate pajamas on!
Yeah! And we've hoisted the pajama pirate flag.
Ooh, we have our piratey blankets and cushions.
Oh, yes, here they are, yes. Oh, and now it's time to read our favorite piratey book about our favorite pirate, the legend of Pirate Hootbeard!
There once was a legendary pirate called Pirate Hootbeard.
Look, Giggle Pirates!
Oh,
Look!
What is it? What is it?
What's over there on the Giggle Sea?
Where? I can't see anything.
There!
Where? Oh! Whoa!
Pirate Mini Hoot!
And Pirate Mini Hootbeard! Yeah!
Ahoy, pirate toys! Oh, what's that, pirate toys? You want to join us on our pirate ship sleepover? But of course! Come aboard! Yeah! Oh, there we go. Come here, pirate Hootbeard. Ah, there we are.
Hoist that pirate blanket, pajama pirate Jimmy Giggle!
Hoisting the pirate blanket. Ah, there we go.
Yeah, and now you can read the pirate toys, our favorite piratey story as well, Pirate Hootbeard!
Ooh, yar, I can! There once was a legendary pirate called Pirate Hootbeard. That's me! Yar!
Hoot yar!